everyone, it's Alissa Todd. Welcome to my fifth and final video of my retirement plan series. I'll put the link for the first 4 videos down in the description box below. So if you're interested in learning more about a traditional Roth IRA, a 401k, a SEP IRA, or a simple IRA, do go check those out. Today I'm talking about a solo 401k, also known as a solo K plan. And this is available to any independent contractors, self-employed individuals, or business owners with no full-time employees except for a spouse. And it follows rules similar to a 401k offered at businesses. This type of plan allows you to save as both the employer and employee. As the employee, you can defer a portion of your salary up to $19,000. If you're over the age of 50, you can defer an additional catch-up of $6,000. Then as the business owner or the employer, you can add a profit sharing component to your solo K plan. And you can contribute an additional 20% of your earnings. If you're incorporated, this contribution limit increases to 25% of your earnings. For 2019, the total that you can put away into a solo K plan is $56,000 without counting catch-up contributions. A solo K comes in a traditional or Roth version similar to what's offered in an IRA. So check out my video where I go over the similarities and differences between a traditional and a Roth IRA. In general, you want to wait to make any withdrawals until you're at least age 59 and a half to avoid early withdrawal penalties and potential taxes. There are, however, exceptions to this rule, so make sure that you consult with a financial advisor if you're considering taking money out of your solo K plan. If you are a business owner and would like a review of your current retirement plan, or if you're interested in seeing which retirement plan option may be the most suitable for you and your business, let's get connected. You can send me a message or schedule a time to talk using the link in the description box below. And as always, if you have any questions about retirement or any other money topics in general, don't hesitate to reach out.